dear, this is not good. Hi, Sephora. Are you okay? Handsome, my dear boy, I need you to do something for me. I need you to get the others. It's urgent. Okay? I'm very ill and... and I'm very worried. I don't know how well I'm doing in the baby. I don't know if this could affect her in any way. Please go get the others. Maybe you should get Millennia. She can definitely help after all. She is the medic. Sure. I'll go now. Stay safe. Bella, you totally cheated. Pup, I didn't cheat. I won. But not as much as I did. Who's winning? It's Lena. Who's winning? It's Lena. Who's winning? It's Lena. Guys, Handsome's coming, and we cannot let him know that we've been playing a pretty rude game about him by guessing the number of times he did something stupid, awkward, and weird.
Hey, Handsome.
Bro, what up, Handsome? Hi. Well, why are you all looking at me like that? It's kind of unsettling.
You guys were playing a rude game.
Dude, shut up.
Sorry.
Nothing at all. Just lying to my boyfriend. Nothing. Okay, well, no, something more important. Okay, guys, Sephora's really sick. Like, it could kill her and the baby. Millennia, can you help? Medic here. Yeah, I can definitely check it out. I wonder what she has. Ooh, I hope it's new, so I could explore. Not new. That would be bad for Sephora. Okay, let's see. What are we dealing with? Ooh, babe, that is, you look awful. Thank you. I feel awful, but please, can you work fast? I'm very scared that the baby might not make it. Oh, yeah, let me just check your temperature. Wow, you are blazing hot. Okay, let's just check the baby out real quick. Let's see. Ooh, she's kicking a lot less than she used to and very light. Doesn't sound great. There's still a heartbeat, but not a strong one. Oh, dear. Well, have your children heard of the flounder? The what? The flounder. Here, come sit by me. I'll tell you the tale. There is a flower that can heal any illness. Nothing could happen to you as long as you heed its simple but needed words. The flower can make old run with the agility of youth for miles and miles at a time if needed. No child is cold and alone. They have family and friends, but heed these words to know where to find it. First you must cross the waters of life, then up to nature that grows, then climb up a tree to the heights to see new sights. Then there you find the flounder. Come on, we all know the flounder's fake myths and wives' tales. Can't actually do anything. Hey, don't talk about that. Sephora can be right. Basically saying Sephora's wrong. Lena, it's okay, my darling. It's not real at all. But go ahead, believe in dumb tales. How about you children go find it? Okay, we are here. But wow, that is a big lake. It's crazy how big it is. Yeah, this is really kind of crazy. Bro, look at that. I just saw a fish. Wow, it really makes you think how small Nick's... I can't talk today. Handsome, when could you ever have talked? Wow. It's crazy big. Really makes you think about life, doesn't it? Wow. Well, wait a minute. Never mind. It's so... Oh, no, guys, the weather, look. We better hurry before it rains on us and we can't get back. I'm nervous, guys, for Sephora. What if she doesn't make it out? No, we can't think like that. Besides, if we can't find it, we can always just do a cute little dance, right? To make her forget about the fact that she and her baby are probably going to die if we can't find this medicine. No way, no how, we are not doing that. Okay, relax. Do not jump down my throat. It was just an idea. Guys, focus. We cannot just go willy-nilly talking about stupid things. Wait, guys, the song. It really makes you think about life. The lake. Find the lake or something. Waters of life. It could help you save Sephora. And then when you are done, you'll find the flounder. Let's go! Okay, so we just walk across the lake. Yep. Come on, Handsome. Why are you walking so fast, dude? Oh, these two. Guys. Wait up. So, we made it across. Great. Yes, but after hours and hours and hours of walking. Don't worry, it'll be worth it if we can save Sephora. Right? If we can save Sephora. So what was the next part of the song? I think it was, find the place where nature grows to save Sephora. No one knows how hard it could be. Guys, I think I know where to go. Come on, follow me. Let's go. What are we waiting for? Let's go! Here. But I don't know where to go from now. Just remember the song. Find a tree and climb high. Then you will see the sight of the flower. Handsome, that's too risky. Come on, I'll do it. Okay. Over there. I see it. Right there. It's kind of far away, though, and it looks pretty hard to get to. It's beautiful, though. It's right... Handsome? Handsome, are you okay? You big idiot. Come on. Find the flower. Okay. Ow. Whoa. Ugh. Get up, just... I'm stuck. No, I can't give up on Zipporah. I can't. Oh, there we go. Okay, I've almost got it. Yeah. Handsome, look, I found it. We have to go back. I'm sorry, Zipporah, but I don't think I can do anything. I think... Don't tell me. I already know. Zipporah, we found it! Yup. Here. There you go, Zipporah. Are you okay? I can sing. I can dance. I'm better. Oh, thank you, Lena, my dear. Welp, here you go, Zipporah. A happy and healthy baby. What was the name you said again? I think Floundra. Now a quick tutorial on making puppets. So what I did is I just took a regular stuffed animal and took a bunch of wire. As you can see, I kind of used that thing. You can tell. Right here you can see where I wrapped it around the neck, then the arms. Pretty interesting. And then back you can tell everything, blah, blah, blah. And there's the little piece. I wrapped it to the tail. I'll explain that later, like how I did that. Yeah, pretty interesting actually. And I don't know what I'm doing. Right here, Handsome, stay up. I kind of like use that just as the other arm piece to move his arms around. You can probably see it. And also, yeah, he lost his other arm in piece, like puppet piece, in his grand fall. And why am I recording it like this? What am I doing? So just so you know, I'm voicing over, so yeah. Oh, okay, that's what I was doing. So as you could see, I've got like my foot in that little area to keep him up while I use this. You might have seen my foot a lot. And now we're to Lena. I don't know what I'm saying. She's slightly different because she has a different structure because she's a different plush. So I wrapped it around her muzzle, as you can see, then around her head to her neck, and then it's more like a harness around her waist. Same thing for it's kind of like attached to her tail, same thing. And then we have her little arm pieces. Hers are longer and attached to her arms lower because she has different arms and different movement. I did a different size because I had a movement already planned for every different plush. Yeah, you can see I'm doing this again too, like what I did with Handsome. You probably saw my leg a lot in the actual movie, but yeah. So every single plush structure is different because they each had like a different, I had a different idea in mind for their movement. So as you can see, this is also generally how I held Lena's things because I had only one hand to record and one to use the puppets. There was a scene where I had to use all of them at the same time. That was a very fun scene. So yeah, that's basically it for Lena. Let's get on to the next one. Now we are at Pup. He is slightly different. He is a lesser character. No offense, Pup. I love you, but Lena and Handsome were kind of leaning more to the top because they've always been my main characters. But he's slightly different too, as you know. Yeah. What I did is I actually kind of stabbed him in the neck, and just kind of wrapped it around to his tail, and then did it around his neck. He lost both of his arm pieces, so I just decided to stop doing that. And yeah, I love you, bud. But yeah, I just kind of held his little back thing and started moving him around and showed only his... Oh, Bella. Okay. I didn't see the transitioning. Bella is same for Alina, just slightly different. The harness around, you can see how I did that. I think I also... Oh, yeah, I just wrapped it around her neck, had one go over onto her bow, over to her head, and then I had another one go from her neck to the tail, as you can kind of see. So there's two. So I use both of those to kind of move her around because that's the better structure for her. Did she also lose her, like, I don't know. So as you can see how I move that around a lot. Because it's easier to, like, use a hand for her head and then put my foot through for her body. Oh, and I'm dropping her. And then she has regular arm pieces. They're just slightly smaller because hers are harder to move than the others, so they have to be closer to be stronger. And now we are on to Sephora. She just had one attached to her arm to move her arm around, and then one, yeah, just like that, and because she's sick the entire time, and one to move her tail because her tail has a lot of movement. Now we're on to Millennia. I saved her last because she's my favorite. As you can see, under I had it over her arm structure, tied to the bottom of her arms, and then going over her face. I also stabbed her too in the head, in the chin more. Then it goes over, and then there's there's one that goes over, like under the one that goes over her head, attaching to her arms. So how I can just move one arm, the other, both arms, her head, I can move her arms only, or I can move her head, or I can move every part of her, like that, as you see what I'm demonstrating in this video. And that's how I usually have to hold it. When I moved her arms, I do it slightly different when it's just her head. And I can move only her arms, like both of her arms at the same time. I can move her a lot of different ways. So yeah. Guys, I hope we can save Sephora. Okay. Okay, fast explanation. Lena was supposed to have more lines in the scene, but then she fell, so I had to cut it shorter. That's why.